Hi everyone, in this video I am going to share what is the brand assets and how to set your brand assets in OmniSend. The first step is click the account name and go to the store setting options. Here you will click the brand assets option. Brand assets means to the initial setup of your brand identity and later it will be applied to all new template automatically. First I will set the logo. Okay, you will set the brand logo. I will set the logo of my brand, and secondly I will set the color and fonts of my brand colors black. Next I will set the font. My fonts is Georgia, and paragraph font, set the paragraph font Helvetica. And the next step is we'll set the social link of my brand. Add social link like Instagram, and you can paste your link. Brand access to the initial setup of your brand identity and later it will be applied to all new templates automatically. And the next step is we'll set the social link of brand, and next click the save brand asset setting button and your brand asset setting is saved. Your brand settings will appear in every new campaign. Thank you so much for my watching videos. If you have any question, please comment to me. I will surely reply for you.